Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to answer a common question asked by users, that is there a way to run Python on Android? Well, the answer is yes. Frankly speaking, there is not a lot of support with Python and Android. Basically, whenever we are working with Android, it's usually referred to as Java as the primary source of programming languages. But yes, there are certain ways and methods by which we can run Python on Android. So let's see that in today's video. So the first option that we can use is Kiwi. So basically Kiwi is an open source Python library that can be used for quick development of applications, and it makes use of innovative user interfaces, multi-touch apps, and it also has a library of Kiwi MD that helps you to create Android applications, and these Android applications can be converted to APK using different operating systems like Linux. And secondly, Kiwi runs on all possible operating systems, for example, Linux, Windows, OX, etc. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Kiwi because it can be created on any possible operating system and be transferred from one operating system to another. Apart from Kiwi, there are other applications and services that help us to write and use Python on Android. So one is Beware that helps us to create a Python simulated environment where you can run Python code and execute certain libraries. The same goes with QPython that helps you to write and execute Python code. And finally, we've got Termux with us. Basically, Termux is a simple application that helps you to run command-based prompts, and that can be run right through your Android phone. So using Termux, you can run Python code and you can run Python scripts as your requirement is needed. So these are the most common services and applications that you can use to run Python on Android. Well, if this knowledge helps you, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.